GCE 2025 timetable is out. If you need a copy of this timetable, please drop in the comment section. I need a copy. I will email it directly to you. Just drop in the comment section. I need a copy. Just note that it will be starting 24th October 2025 and it will end 18th December 2025. Please, if you know anybody that registered for GCE this year, share this video to the person. Take your time, go through the video, know the important dates, know the dates of your own exam. Pause the video, check, just like you can see on the screen. Just go through it, check and know the exact time for your own exam. The time, every information you need to know, the date of the exam, the time. Watch the video to note it. And I will be listing for some core subjects like further maths, chemistry, biology, physics, English, the exact date for this ones. But for the other subjects, you can check just like we have on the screen. Check and note the exact time for your own exam. And don't forget that on this channel, if you're following on TikTok, if you're following on YouTube, we are preparing science students for this exam. So subscribe to this channel, turn the bell notification for more videos so that you can follow through the latest updates, necessary things you need to know to pass this exam. Please go through the video and check. Just we can see here on Tuesday, you see the objective exams, the essay, each of them. Know the particular dates, write them down, share this video to someone writing 2025 November, December GCE exam. And also note that this year, this is the first time it's going to be CBT. So prepare yourself for CBT exam. And those that will be writing WAEC in 2026, they should also prepare their mind to write CBT exam. That is why you need to follow up on YouTube and on TikTok to know whenever there is any necessary and very important updates that you need to know. Don't miss out. Please pause the video, check the dates, check your own exam day, just like we have further maths on Tuesday 11th November. Further maths will be Tuesday 11th November. Chemistry will be Thursday 20th November. Biology will be Wednesday 26th November. I just picked for the science subjects. You can check for your other subjects like government, economics. Then physics, that's my own subject, will be on 4th December, Thursday 4th December. Then English, there is oral English that will be happening on 17th November, Monday 17th November. Then the essay and the objective will be Saturday 6th November. Please prepare yourself very well for this exam. Have it in mind that it's going to be CBT, so prepare yourself very well. It's going to be the first time it will be happening in a different way, just like WAEC 2025 happened with some changes. So expect changes. Please do well to like, follow on TikTok, subscribe on YouTube so that you will get any updates before the exam. This last page is for special candidates. It's just special information to help and favor special candidates. Please share this video to someone writing this exam. Share this video to someone that registered for GCE. Thank you and see you in the next video.